In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal with Softr. We'll start on the Softr application's dashboard. From here, the fastest way to get a professional result is to begin with a template. Look for the option to start with a template and open the template gallery. Templates give you a complete structure out of the box, so you can focus on content and styling instead of building every page from scratch. In the gallery, search for Client Portal or browse to the Portals category. The portal section groups templates specifically designed for secure, user-specific experiences, which is exactly what you need for clients. Select the Client Portal template to preview its pages and blocks. You'll see a layout that typically includes a dashboard, a list or grid of items, and detail views. When you're ready, choose Use Template to add it to your workspace. This loads the full template into the editor so you can make it yours. Inside the editor, navigate to the Dynamics section. This is where data-driven blocks live, such as grids, item detail pages, and tables. These blocks are designed to show different content to different users based on their permissions. Open the grid to review which fields are displayed, the sorting and filtering, and how items link to details. Then check item detail blocks to make sure key information is well organized. For tables, consider which columns should be visible and how they help clients quickly find what they need. Small tweaks here dramatically improve usability. Next, move to the Statics section to adjust non-database content, like features, text, buttons, and images. This is the place to align the portal with your brand voice and visuals. Update headlines to be clear and action-oriented, refine supporting copy, and ensure any buttons communicate exactly what happens on click. Consistent styling here builds trust and makes the experience feel cohesive. Now refine the top of the page by selecting the hero block. Open its container settings to control the overall layout. Adjust the column setting to change how content is arranged. 2 columns for side-by-side text and imagery, or a single column for a focused message. Keep spacing balanced and check that headings, subheadings, and call to action buttons read well as the layout changes. Columns directly influence readability and scannability, especially on smaller screens, so aim for a simple structure that guides the eye. With these adjustments, your client portal is structured, branded, and ready for content. That's it. You've built a client portal with Softr.